In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram on your computer. So I'm going to go to Instagram. I'm already on the website. That's what you want to do as well. And yeah, let's just show you how it works. All right, so first of all, you have the option to sign into your account or to sign up for a brand new account over here. So you either want to sign in or sign up for an account, which you could do over here. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. So all you need to do is type in your username and then your password. Once you've done that, you should be able to click on login over here. And yeah, there we go. So I just signed into my account, and that's how you can sign into your account as well. So this is what the Instagram layout looks like on your PC. You can actually change this, and I'll show you how later on in the video, where I'll also show you how you can post. But in terms of the actual layout for PC, this is your homepage where you'll find all the recent posts from the people that you're following. Over here, you can search for people. Over here, you can take a look at your DMs. You can click on the explore page, and you can also check out your activity over here. So these are the basics of Instagram on your PC. It's quite simple. And like I said, I also want to show you how you can actually use Instagram on PC with a phone screen, where you can also post, because right now you cannot post. But if you want to post, you want to click on these three dots in the top right corner. You gotta make sure to use Google Chrome. Click on more tools, then click on developer tools, and then you'll see that if you click on the toggle device toolbar over here, it will go into a phone screen. You can click here to launch a drop down menu, and you can then choose a phone. So you can choose an iPad or iPhone, and I'll leave that up to you guys. So I'll just go with the iPhone, and then you want to hit refresh, and then you can click on close if you want to. It will go back to the full layout, but you can then see the post button over here. But if you'd just like to use the phone screen, you can also do that. Oops, let me go back. Wacht. But you can also just use the phone screen. So go into more tools again, developer tools, and then right there you'll see the phone screen. Click on the plus icon over there if you want to post. Select your post. I'll just go with this random picture over here. Click on open. You can then add filters. You can also edit if you want to. I'll just click on next. You can then write a caption. So for example, test post. There we go. You can add locations, but Instagram needs your location for that, which I'm not going to do for now. You can also tag people over here. So you can click and you can then search for an account. For example, if you want to hit tag Cristiano, you basically do that. You can then move this around as well, click on done. And if you're ready to share, all you need to do is click on share. It's now posting. And if we just wait, you can see that right now I just posted from my PC on Instagram. I tagged a person, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to delete this because this is just a test post. But that's how you can use Instagram on your PC. How you can also use it as a phone device, like a normal layout, and how you can also post. So you can also take a look at your DMs by clicking over here. You can add a story if you want to, but that's going to use your webcam if you have one. But yeah, that's how you can use Instagram on your PC. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one.